He was born under a wandering star.
Today, yeah, get to Portsmouth get to Portsmouth and back without spending any money. That's my mission. I vow by any means necessary to get to Portsmouth and back without spending no money. I need to get there for eye medical, yeah? And funding's a bit short right now still. So I'm gonna have to go down there if I really want this thing by any means necessary, bruv. How much do you want it? How much do you want it? So I'm gonna go down Portsmouth College for this eye examination with my new glasses. And I'm gonna come back via the trains and the buses, whatever route, and I ain't gonna spend jack, and I'll keep you updated. If I can do it, support the channel. If I can't do it, tell me to fuck off, bruv. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. I'll keep you updated, people. But for now, make sure you press that button there and subscribe, yeah? Hang on, people, okay. I'm out of here. Time is now about 5:30, so I'm gonna take a walk to either Finsbury Park or Cali, whichever one I choose to. Just take a walk down there. First things first, get through Cali without paying nothing there. That's gonna be easy, I think. And then when I get to Cali, get a train to Piccadilly Circus, change to Waterloo, change to Bakerloo line. From the Bakerloo line, I'm gonna get a train, I think it's Thameslink, straight to Waterloo, yeah, from Piccadilly to Piccadilly Circus. From Piccadilly Circus, I'm gonna get a train from Piccadilly Circus to Waterloo, and from Waterloo, get out there, if I can, get a train on the overground, straight to Portsmouth. Probably a 3-hour journey or something like that. And I gotta do the same coming back, right? And I'm gonna try and pay nothing. Because, as they say, you gotta do what you gotta do, bruv. You know what I mean? The government's already fucked us up. So now if you want something, by any means necessary, you go out there and get it. Yeah, peace out. Yeah, obstacle 1. Here we go. Wish me luck, people. Wish me luck. True that. Bro. True that, bro. Be done. This is what this country's reduced, man, to. Dodging fares and that, bro. That's not me. But sometimes to get to the greater good, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? You know what I mean? So next stop, Piccadilly Circus. So from Piccadilly Circus, we gotta change to Bakerloo line, and Bakerloo line straight to Waterloo. And that's where the problem starts, because you got bare inspectors. Bruv. So I gotta style it out in a way. I'll catch you later. Glasses do the business, you know. I'm just trying to test it out now, because I can't. I see that writing down there. As my eyes are now, I can't see it properly. But when I put the glasses on, yeah, I can see all the writings, red in selections. See? Bro, wish me luck, bro. Wish me luck. Heading to the Bakerloo line now. Yeah. Just got off the train. step by step, bruv. I told you. I'm taking you to Portsmouth, people. Where's this one go? I need to get to the Circus, Waterloo, yeah? I need to get to Waterloo, bruv. That's it. From two, bruv. Okay. Let's go to Portsmouth, people. Let's go to Portsmouth. Waterloo's gonna be the hardest one. Guarantee you, unless I get some kind people up there. If I just sweet talk them and let them know what's going on. I'm coming to work in your industry. So I'm about to do what I've got to do, innit, to get to this place, bruv. You know, I suppose the good thing about leaving early in the morning is that you don't get a lot of people about. If I'd have left at 6:30 now or 7, there'd be a lot of people about still. But as it is, there's not much. Probably one or two. So here we are on the Bakerloo line at Piccadilly Circus. I'm going straight to Waterloo. It's about 3 stops away. When I get there, get that train to Port, and then when I get to Portsmouth, I still got to get a bus, you know. If I can't get a bus there, there's more chance of me paying to get a bus. But if I can just sweet talk the man on the bus, let him know I'm a Londoner, this is what I've got to do today, I'm sure he'll let me ride. If not, I'm walking from the station to the college. How many fucking miles, bro? I don't care how I get there, but I'll get there. Sure. What's so bloody good about that entertainment? Entertainment that you've never imagined. What a fucking truck, bruv. A fucking truck. A blood clot. Get out of here about entertainment. I've already seen it all, bruv. I've seen it all. There's nothing you can bring to me that I ain't seen. You understand? Bro, we're here, bro. We're here. Get up to the real. To get out of the station. I managed to get out of the station, right? Yeah, I managed to get out of Waterloo. Now I'm heading up to the railway. This is going to be a tricky one still. This is going to be a tricky one. Hi, darling. Sorry, Bobby. I'm trying to get to Portsmouth, yeah? Do you know what? So I think I've seen Portsmouth Harbour. I'm not sure if it's the right one, though.
It is.
Yeah?
Yeah, 6:42.
6:42, yeah?
Yeah.
Platform what?
Doesn't show yet. It's too early.
All right. Thank you. Is that the right? Is that? Did you say platform 12 up there, isn't it?
Between 12 and 19, it's not confirmed
All right.
yet.
All right. One kind lady there, man. So I kind of like sweet talk her a little bit. Made her feel like, okay, I'm going to come back when the time is right. She said 6:45, right? So it's now 6:15. So I still got a bit of time. Yeah. I don't mind whatever happens when I come back. I just got to get there. Just got to get there. Whatever happens when I get back, when I'm on my way back, can happen. As long as I get there and preferably pass the examination, I'll be chuffed. You know, I managed to get through this. I managed to get through. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is it. Right? I managed to worm my way through, bro. While nobody's seeing me, bro. Pulling that blah blah blah, pulling that Hillside all the way down to Portsmouth. Yeah. There we go. On time, 6:42. Let's go, people. Let's go. Okay, I'm on the train. It leaves at 6:42. I think it's about 6:32, 6:35 or something. I don't know how I got through that gate, you know. I don't know how I got through that gate. There's about 5 people there. And I knew I couldn't go inwards. So when the train came, people was coming out. And the woman just knew that I'm going to get in. The lady that was coming through the gate, through the barrier, she just knew that I was going to go. I'm going to follow her. I'm going to go in. So she got out of the way, and I went in, right? And no inspector saw me, bruv. So I'm like, okay, next thing I got to pass now. You know, you always get these inspectors that come in the train. Yeah, so I know I'm going to get that. So when that comes, I do it the same way. Peace out. I might have seen an inspector, you know, walking down on the pavement. I might have seen an inspector walking down. It could be an inspector. When that normally happens, they're walking down to the beginning of the ride of the train, and then starting all the way, and then starting all the way down so they can catch up there. So if he comes and starts asking me questions, I'll tell him what's going on. I'll tell him. Simple. The worst thing you could do is argue with him. That's the worst thing you could do, is argue with him. So don't argue. Just be honest and let him know what's going on. He might have pity, he might take your details down, whatever. So prepare for the worst. That's what I always say to myself. Prepare for the worst. Prepare for the worst, man. You know what I mean? Move Man, let me off, you know. I should have recorded it, but that's what I'm saying. If you're honest, they'll see that. They'll say, oh, I mean, you let me off. I knew the man was going to come. I knew he was going to come. It's okay. I said, listen, this is what it is. You let me off, bro. I forgot to record the conversation. Yeah, man. Man's in Portsmouth. Bro. Yeah, I've got to find my way out of here. Look at the fast one, bro. Portsmouth and sea, you know. I'm not getting out of here. How does man get out of this place? Simple, get out. I'm in Portsmouth, bro. Man's in Portsmouth. Man's in Portsmouth, bro. Oh shit. I made it to Portsmouth. Now I'll get a bus to the college, bro. Yeah, I have to get a bus to the college, mate. Where? It says Station Street. It says Station. Let me just take a picture. Let man them know. Let man them know. Man's at fucking Southend, bro. You get me? Man's at fucking Portsmouth, bro. Okay, I'm at the bus stop now. I'm getting 14. City of Portsmouth College, innit? So we go from there, people. I told you I'll make it. You have to always believe, people. Believe. Like Robbie said, believe. I hope this bus man understands. I've done the hard part of getting to Portsmouth now. I mean Portsmouth, people, yeah? I've done the hard part of getting here. This is the hardest part, was to get here without paying nothing. I've done that. I don't know where Portsmouth is, but I'm here anyway. Yeah, look, I didn't go to fucking Plymouth, bruv. You understand? I know man's that done that, just get on the wrong train to some other place, bruv. Anyway, I'm in Portsmouth now, and I need to get to this place before 10 o'clock. And yeah, it's been quite a journey, long journey, but about 3.5 hours. Yeah, so let's see what happens, man, with this eye test business. Because I'm pissed. I'm pissed enough to come here in the first place. You get me? There people look. You see me next? I'll probably be in college, yeah? Oh yeah. Oh shit, it never worked. It never worked, bro. It never fucking worked, mate. This guy was not having it, man. How are you getting to the college anyway? That guy was not having it. He was not having it, bro. He wasn't having it. That guy was a moody, mardy bastard. Fucking hell, you were having it. Lucky for me, it was only £2.60 to get here from the station. So I'm here now anyway, I'm at the college. I'm here for the medical, bruv. Yeah? Let's see what I've got. I don't know, man. Where's the college? Is this it? How'd you get into the college? I don't know, man. Reception over there. Don't ask me how I got here from London. From London, bruv. From London I got here. Just for a fucking medical. I'm here, bro. I'm here.
But that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I'll email them for you. Okay. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Hello.
Hi, darling. Yeah, I'm here for a medical. The eye medical.
I'm medical.
Yeah, eye examination, medical, whatever it is.
Are you sure it's this one? This campus? I don't know anything.
It says Tangley Road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, do you know who it's with?
I'm not sure. It just says to come to the college from London. From London, man. Should I sign in here? We've got to sign in. Wait first.
Right, so what have you got then that tells you?
Right.
I think it's because also
Bro,
the
if this is some bullshit.
so it makes it,
Not up to 90% of them.
I've just come from London. Portsmouth. And they know nothing about this. They don't know anything about this. I really don't know what to do. If I have to go back. If I have to go back, bruv, with nothing to show for my journey. Someone's gonna.
She knew that before, did you? That she was going to have it done? She did it keyhole and robotic. She's a team clinical lead. She said she went for a Viva and she's got like a 5 and a bit centimetre thing there. And she said I had trouble. Yeah. But we went on, when we left, they said, oh yeah, it was 2nd September. She came here to see me because she was a bit up.
Well, I'm seeing white flags around this area, man. I swear to God, I don't feel safe around here. I don't feel safe around this area, bruv. Everywhere I go, there's flags. Flags everywhere, bruv. You know? Here now. I guess I'm fucking here. Miles away though. So now I've got to find where it is. The guy said, walk through the park, and then you see a blue building. You won't miss it, he said. All right then. Bro, they said go Highbury. Highbury's in London. And then it says Highbury Grove. That's in London. Where am I? Am I in London or am I in Portsmouth, bruv? Fucking hell. This is it, you know. I think I'm here. I think this is it. Let me go and run some things. Bruv. Mad. This is it, bro. Main entrance over there. Fucking hell, bro. Madness. Absolute madness. Yeah. I'm here for a medical.
Medical?
Yeah, I'm here to see some. This is college, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here for a medical. I'm not sure I got through, but someone.
What's it regarding?
My eye assessment.
Eye assessment?
Yeah, eye medical, yeah.
That wouldn't be with the college.
It's with a college, yeah. Is this the Haven campus, isn't it?
What?
I got sent down here.
Have you got an email or a message? Or...
I just got told to come down. We're here. Sitting and waiting my turn, yeah. Sitting and waiting my turn. So I better pass this medical, bruv. I didn't come. I didn't come all the way from London to fail this medical. I swear that I didn't. Thank you. All right. Not seriously.
It's time to revive.
Gotta figure out how I'm gonna get home, bro. I don't know where I am. I don't know where the fuck I am. But I still got here, but I don't know where it is. I gotta figure out how to get home from here without paying shit. If I gotta go like Rago, then I'll go like that. But I don't really wanna go like that. I don't wanna go all mad. I wanna do it politely, like I've done so far. You know?
Still not remembering what she was supposed to be doing.
Right. Very nice people over here, innit? Very kind people. Nice people. What's all that about? I don't know, bro. What's so nice to me?
You want to come through?
Yeah, sure.
Get someone else and get
Oh.
just sit here, yeah? Oh, nice one.
Thank you very much, yeah?
How you doing, bro? You
Yeah.
alright?
Did you come to Stanmore one time? Was it you I saw
Yeah.
Stanmore? Was it you?
One time it was
Yeah?
what? You come here, bro?
No, not coming. I'm from London. You
Oh,
know?
you're from London as
I'm
well?
from
So they
London.
made you come down here?
Yes. When you come down here this morning, like,
That's
they
mad.
sent me to the other one, to the city campus.
Fuck.
So I went down there and I'm sitting there thinking, it's here.
Gaff.
And then now they said, nah, it's over here. So I had to get
shit.
next bus, come here with no money.
Shit.
I came here with no money.
Fuck.
From London with no money, bro.
Fuck, you know.
Yeah, with no money. I don't know how I got here. I don't know how I'm going to get home.
Shit,
Yeah,
bro.
I don't know. But I've got
And
to
you
do
know
it.
what's crazy? You know what's crazy? You could have come to our office in Ilford.
Yeah.
Where'd you live?
London, like, Cali.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
Shit.
Why did you come?
Fuck, bro.
Because I keep asking them, because sure there's no way I can do it in London.
Yeah.
They're like, no, this is, because my medical runs out on the 30th. So this date, had to be done this date. If I didn't do it this
Have you
date.
done it before?
I've done it before, but I use my old glasses. But I've got new glasses.
Same.
And I'm doing an operation next month for my cataracts. So if I fail this, but I don't think I'll fail, if I did fail this, I got an operation in October.
Did we do it last time for you?
I think you did. I'm not sure
Me
if
and
you
some
did.
of our brother, two brother,
Yeah.
white brother with a tattoo on his face.
No. It was in June, July.
What, this year?
Yeah, this year.
Marie and
Oh,
Ahmed.
Marie and Armel.
Was there a
Yes.
woman there?
There's a woman there as well.
Yeah. White lady, yeah. Nice, skinny lady, yeah.
So what did she, so what happened then?
So basically, I went in there, I passed the drug test and all of that, but I did not pass, because basically what they said, they said to me that my glasses that I used were my wrong glasses. So I bought them my real glasses now, and hopefully they work, you know?
Yeah. Now
So-
I know the situation. Bear with me.
So, Congratulations and celebrations. I passed the medical at Portsmouth fucking college. I passed the fucking medical, people. See? If you want something, you have to go out there and get it. I didn't know where I was going. Several fucking mishaps. I got sent to the wrong place. Then I had to travel another 6 miles to get to the real fucking place. But when I got here, I said, yeah, bruv, I'm past this thing. I passed it, bro. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be back later. And to a blind lady, man. What a nice lady still. These trains are, man. They look like fucking steam engines, bro. They look like fucking steam engine. Yeah, fucking hell. This is the journey back now. I'm gonna try and get back without paying shit either. I'm not gonna lie, people. I spent £2.60 getting a bus to the college. And once I got to the college, it was the wrong college. So I had to get a next bus to the real college. And I talked to the guy, I said, listen, mate, blah, 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 blah. And the guy said, yes, mate, you're all right. Get in there, sit down. So I didn't pay. So what I paid so far is £2.60. Yeah, it's from London to Portsmouth in the woods. And when you get to Portsmouth, you still got like a ride miles away, at least about 9 miles away to get to the college. So anyway, so now I've done a medical, passed it, and now I've got to come back. I'm at Caution Station. That's Caution, right? I'm at Caution, yeah? Caution now. If I knew, I should have got off at Caution when I was coming down. But they're telling me to get off at fucking the harbour. Anyway, people, yeah? When you see me next, bro, here we go. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle. Gotta do what man's gotta do, regardless, bro. I'm the next ticket inspector to come and chat shit to me. The sweet talking, innit?
coaches only. Thank you.
Priority seating is available on board owners.
How you doing, boss? Basically, I'm training to be an engineer, track engineer.
Okay.
And I had to go and do a medical for my eye at Portsmouth College. And basically, I couldn't get there. Like, I had to get there today. I had a medical today. My medical runs out on the 30th of September. But I had to get there today. I had no money to get there. But I had to get there today. So, but that was my dilemma. Right? I got the money to get home, but I had to get there today. So I'm doing engineering. I can show you evidence.
Where are you going to?
I went to Portsmouth College. So I'm on my way back home now.
Where are you going back to?
Waterloo.
You'll either need to buy a ticket. If you don't buy a ticket, you'll need to leave the train at the next station.
Boss, I got no money. Yeah, and the thing is, it was an emergency.
I understand, I agree, but you would also need to have a ticket. If you haven't got a ticket, you'll need to leave at the next station.
If you want to find me, whatever you got to do, find me. It's just that I had to do this. Yeah, I'm trying to work on the tracks. Yeah. I can show you proof, I can show you evidence if you like. But I ain't getting off. I got no money, bro. You're one fucking idiot. Always. When I was coming down, the guy, he was alright. Now when you see the next one, you don't want to know, bro. Like, no. I ain't got it, bro. I ain't getting shit. I ain't got no money anyway. Telling me to go fucking Portsmouth for what? Fucking Portsmouth, bro. Very mad.
Next up on services, Mitchell Dever, front 6 coaches only. Mitchell Dever, next up, front 6 coaches only. Thank you.
You're gonna come now. I'm not getting off this train. I'll tell you that now. Find me. If you're gonna find me, but I ain't getting off this train.
This is Mitchell Dever. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Basingstoke.
For that, bro. Somebody never come. Get me. Somebody never come, bro. God would have kicked me off and caused a kerfuffle. Helping the disabled, you know. What else? What I like to see, bro. Back, bro.
Nobody treat us.
Bro, we're back. We're back in London, man. We're back in London. Now to get out of this station. Get out here with ease, man. This is easy. Let's go behind someone, innit? There, bro. Nah. Let's get to the underground. Let's see if I can get into the underground, bro. Let's see if I can get into the underground, bro. This is probably a bit difficult. Yeah, this is a strange tunnel still, bro. Dark and dingy escalator.
Please hold the handrail and take care.
There we go. Made it. Made it into Bakerloo, into London. Made it into London, bro. Should I go to the park? Should I go to the park and then just change from there? I swear I stink of fish, you know, bruv. I swear I stink of fish. Watch this. Look at this fucking elevator. Straight elevator. You ain't got to walk far. I wish they had this on the roads. So you ain't got to really walk, really. You just like, you know, you just go with it, bro. You know what I mean? Shortcuts. This is the future. The future. What time have we got here?
The train now approaching is to Queen's Park. Please stand behind